Hello guys, so today we are here to solve our lead code challenge for the day. So in today's challenge, we have been given the root of a binary search tree, okay, and we have to return a balanced binary search tree with the same node values. So if there is more than one answer, return any one of them. So it's giving us a flexibility that we can return any one of the answers. So let's try to, understand this problem first, and then we will, try to solve this. So in this problem, we are given the root of a binary search tree. Okay. So we are given the root of a binary search tree, and we have to return a balanced binary search tree with the same node values. Okay. And the freedom is that we can return any one of the answers. So how to solve this problem? So our approach to solve this problem is that, we will take the nodes, okay, take the values of this node, okay, and do the in-order traversal. So the property of in-order traversal is that it returns the, uh, values of the tree in in an ascending order. So it will be returning like one, it will return one, then two, then three, then four. Okay. And after, if it is returning it in ascending order, then we can perform an operation on that tree. So what operation are we going to perform on the tree? So we will, we will do, like one, two, three, and four is returned. Then what it will do that, we will take, since mid is either two or three. So let's say we take this value two, and then it will be one, okay, and then this side will be, we can put three here. So three and four is there, then let's say, we pick three as the mid, so three is there, and then from three it will be four. So, we can do any one of this in any way that we want, okay. So it will be four here, okay. So it will be four here, okay. So to do this, what are we going to do? So the first thing is that, we'll be returning one list, and this list will be containing the elements in the sorted order. And then we will be, performing, taking the mid of this, and from the mid will be the considered as the root, and the left half of the mid will be the left node of the tree, and the right half of the mid will be the right node, right subtree of the mid. So in this way, we'll proceed and solve this problem. So let me, write the code, and then it will be very, very clear that how we are going to solve this. So we will, close this, and then will solve this. Okay. So we will take a list of integer, then let's name it as a list. Okay. And then in order, we will move, and then we'll pass the root and the list as well. And at the end, we can call this method recursively build tree. Okay. And then we will pass the, the mm, list, and also will pass 0, and then list dot size minus 1. So this is the last index of the list. And the in-order traversal is pretty much straightforward. What we will do here, that we will write, private void in order, and then we will pass the node root, and then we will pass list of integer list here. If root is equal to null, then we will just return. Otherwise, what we will do? We will do in order root dot left, root dot left, and the list will go along. At the end of it, we'll just take root dot val in order root dot right list, and then here what we will do that we will create the recursive method. So in this recursive method, how we will do? So we'll take this private. We have to return the tree node. So the return type will be the root node we have to return. So it will be tree. The return type will be recursively. Let me copy this. Okay. Okay. And then okay, and then we'll do this if start is greater than last. So we'll just return the null node. Else if start is equal to last, then we'll return new tree node list dot get either start or last anything. Okay, else and in the else part, what we will do that we will take this, we will first of all find this mid. Mid is equal to start plus last. Okay, okay. And we will, what we will do that we will create a list. So we will return new tree node and we will get list dot get of mid, and then we will do so in this left node. For the left node, we'll again call back this tree. So if we do paste recursively build tree, then we will pass the list and the start will be as it is. Mid will be mid minus 1. Again, same thing. List mid plus 1 last like this. And then we can close this. Okay. So with this, we will be able to solve this problem. Perfect. Perfect. If there is any doubt in this solution, please post it in the comments and I'll happily answer those doubts. With this, allow me to thank one and all of you. Best wishes, happy coding.